Let's dive into a Python mystery that trips up even the pros. It's all about cloning.
So, this is Timothy. He felt pretty invincible cloning basic Python stuff, like lists and dictionaries.
He built a logger for his chess game and thought, hey, I'll just copy it for a what-if scenario.
But instead of a clean copy, bam, his whole console just lit up with a big red error.
And there it is, the ghost in the machine. Why couldn't Python clone a simple file object?
Well, his senior colleague, Margaret, knew exactly what was up. He'd hit a fundamental boundary.
It's the line between Python's world and, well, the real world, the operating system's world.
See, Python can copy anything it owns, but stuff from the outside world, that's off limits.
Margaret used a great analogy. Think of a library book. You can copy the pages, right? That's the data.
But you can't photocopy the actual library checkout. That special permission, that's the file handle.
Okay, so what if you could clone that permission? Why is that such a huge no-no?
It would be total chaos. Two objects trying to write to the same file, corrupting everything.
So here's the secret. You don't clone the connection. You clone the intent to connect. Instead of copying the live object, just tell the new one, hey, here's the file name you need.
Then, that new object gets its own separate permission slip from the OS. Problem solved? This all boils down to what Margaret calls the guardian rule. It's super important to remember.
All right, let's wrap this up with Margaret's cheat sheet. Know the boundary, spot the error, use the solution.
Once you get this, you can build rock-solid code that plays nicely with the outside world.
So ask yourself this. You can manage an object's soul, but can you manage its possessions?